Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. This is Edexcel January 2021 Mathematics, Pure Mathematics B2 WMA 1201. f of x, x power 4 plus ax power 3 minus 3x squared plus bx plus 5, where a and b are constant. When f of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is equal to 4. Show that a plus b is equal to minus 1. This is f of x. F of x is divided by x plus 1. The remainder is equal to 4. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to minus 1. So f of x equal to 4 when x is equal to minus 1. Let us start to put every x is equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 power 4 plus a minus 1 power 3 minus 3 minus 1 squared plus b minus 1 plus 5. This part is equal to 4. So we have here 1 minus a minus 3, because this is 1, and then minus b plus 5 is equal to 4. So from here we have, this is 6 minus 3 equal to minus 3. So minus a minus b plus 6 and then minus 3, 3 equal to 4. So minus a minus b is equal to 4 minus 3, so equal to 1. So a plus b is equal to minus 1. And this is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead. When f of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is minus 23. Find the value of a and b. So the first equation is here. We need to find the second equation. Now this is the situation. This is f of x, and x minus 2 is equal to 0. The remainder is equal to minus 23, so x equal to 2. So let us find f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 power 4 plus a 2 cube minus 3 2 squared plus b multiplied by 2 plus 5. This part is equal to minus 23. So 16 plus 8a minus 12 plus 2b plus 5 is equal to minus 23. So we have 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So 8a plus 2b plus 9 is equal to minus 23. So 8a plus 2b equal to minus 32. This is the second equation. The first equation from part 1, a plus b is equal to minus 1. This is the first equation. We can multiply this one by 8, so we will have 8a minus 8. Minus 8a minus 8b will equal to 8. So let us now add this two. So this part with this part, the remaining here will be minus 6b is equal to minus 32 plus 8. Minus 32 plus 8. So b is equal to minus 32 plus 8 divided by minus 6. b is equal to 4. If we go here, we have a plus 4 equal to minus 1. So from here a is equal to minus 5. And this is the answer of the question. Let us make double check using your calculator. So menu 5, 1. The first equation here we have 8 equal 2 equal and then minus 32. 1, 1 equal and then minus 1. So a is minus 5, this is right, and b is equal to 4. So the answer is right. Let us go ahead to another question. A curve has equation y equal to x power 3 minus x squared minus 16x plus 2. Using calculus, find the x coordinate of the stationary point of the curve. So this is part A. We have y equal to x power 3 minus x squared minus 16x plus 2. So we need dy by dx was equal to 3x power 3 minus 1 minus 2x 2 minus 1 minus 16 multiplied by 1 plus 0. So it's equal to 3x squared minus 2x minus 16. This part is equal to 0, so we need to find the x. So bring your calculator, menu 5, 3. Now we have 3 equal minus 2 equal minus 16 equal. So 3x minus 8, 3x minus 8 multiplied by x plus 2. X plus 2 will equal to 0. So 3x minus 8 equal to 0. So from here x equal to 8 over 3. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 8 over 3 and minus 2. And this is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead. Justify by further calculus the natural of all the stationary point of the curve. Now, 3 marks, so we need 3 statements. The first statement is d2y, which is the differentiation, d2y by dx squared equal to, it must be cx plus any other constant like d. The second statement, when dy by dx squared is bigger than 0, it means now minimum. And if and when dy by dx squared is less than 0, it means now maximum. This is 1 mark, both part. Now let us start. We have x is equal to 8 over 3. X is equal to 8 over 3 and minus 2. And dy by dx, which is calculated before, is equal to, let us go up. Here, 3x squared minus 2x minus 16. So 3x squared minus 2x plus 16 minus 16. So minus 16. Now d2y by dx squared is equal to 6x minus 2. Okay, now at x equal to 8 over 3, d2y by dx squared is equal to 6 multiplied by 8 over 3 minus 2. So here we have 2, 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. Bigger than 0, so here bigger than 0, so minimum. So at x equal to 8.3, minimum point. Now at x equal to minus 2, d2y by dx squared was equal to 6 multiplied by minus 2, so it's equal to minus 14. Less than 0, so maximum point, maximum turning point. Okay, for this answer you will take 3 over 3 for this question. Okay, let us go ahead. Solve 7 power x plus 2 equal to 3. Given your answer in the term of log 7a, where a is a rational number in its simplest form. So let us start part I. 7 power x plus 2 is equal to 3. Let us take log 7. 7x plus 2 equal to log 7, 3. So we will have x plus 2 log 7 base 7, 7 equal to log base 7, 3. So we know that log a is equal to 1. So we will have x plus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to log 7, 3. So now we have x is equal to log 7, 3 minus 2. So again we multiply here by log 7, 7, which is equal to 1. So x will equal to log base 7, 3 minus 2 log 7, 7. So it's equal to minus mean divide. So it will be log before divide 7 minus log 7 is 7 squared, because we will bring this 2 inside. So it's equal to, here we have 3. Now we have negative, so divide, so it will be log 7, 3 over 49. So this is the answer of the question, where a is equal to 3 over 49. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Using the law of logarithm, solve 1 plus g base 2y plus log 2y plus 4 log 2 5 minus y. Let us start the solution of this equation. So let us start. We have log 2y plus log 2y plus 4 is equal to, let me bring this one this side, log 2 5 minus y minus 1. We know that 1 is equal to log 2, 2, so we will have log base 2y plus log base 2y plus 4 will equal to log 2 5 minus y minus log 2, 2. Now plus mean multiply, negative mean divide. So we will have here log 2y y plus 4 equal to log 2 5 minus y divided by 2. Let us remove log now. So this log with this log, so we will have y plus 4 was equal to 5 minus y divided by 2. Let me multiply by 2. So we will have 2y y plus 4 equal to 5 minus y. So we have 2y squared plus 8y minus 5 plus y equal to 0. So we have 2y squared plus 9y minus 5 is equal to 0. Let us bring our calculator. Now we have 2 equal 9 equal minus 5 equal. So 2y minus 1 2. 2y minus 1 multiplied by y plus 5 equal to 0. So we have 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and y plus 5 equal to 0. From here y equal to half, and from here y equal to minus 5. This is reject, this is right. So the final answer y is equal to half. And this is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead to another question. Find the first three term in ascending power of x of the binomial expression of 2 plus b power x power 6, where b is a constant given each term in the simplest form. So it's equal to, let me take 2 power 6 outside, so it will be 1 plus bx divided by 2 power 6. So it's equal to 2 power 6, open the bracket. The first term is 1 plus n6 multiplied by bx divided by 2. And then plus n multiplied by n minus 1 divided by 2 by 1 multiplied by bx divided by 2 squared. 1, 2, 3, so 3 terms. So it's equal to 2 power 6 is equal to, let me find this value, 2 power 6, 64. So 64 by 1, 64, plus 64 by 6 divided by 2, 192. 192 bx plus 64 by 5 divided by 2 by 4. 64 by 6. 64 by 6 by 5 divided by 8. 2 by 4. 240. 240 b squared x squared. And this is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead. Given that in the expression of 3 minus half x plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus bx power 6, the coefficient of x squared is equal to minus 3 over 4. Find the possible value of b. We need to multiply this part, which is 3 minus half x multiplied by this part, the upper part, and define the coefficient of x squared by 64 plus 192 bx plus 240 b squared x squared. We need the coefficient of x squared is equal to minus 3 over 4. Okay? So 3 minus 64, no x. Here 3 by this one, no x. 3 by b squared x squared, we have now coefficient of x squared. So we have 3 by 240 b squared. The second part, here x, here x squared. So minus half multiplied by 192 b. will equal to minus 3 over 4. So let me multiply by 4. So let me multiply all of this by 4. So we will have 3 by 240 by 4 b squared minus 2 by 192b is equal to minus 3. So let me find these values. So we have 3 by 240 by 4. So 2880b2 minus 192 by 2. 384b plus 3 equal to 0. So let me bring my calculator now. Menu 5 and then 3. 2880 equal. And then minus 384 equal. And then 3. So 8y minus 1. 8b. 8b minus 1. Multiplier by 120b minus 1. 120b minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8b minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here, b is equal to 1 over 8. And 120b minus 1 equal to 0. So from here, b is equal to 1 over 120. And this is the answer of the question. Okay? Use algebra to prove that all x bigger than or equal to 0, 3x plus 1 bigger than or equal to 2 square root of 3x. So to prove this one, this is part I. Now we have x bigger than or equal to 0. So 3x plus 1 all the time bigger than 0. And 2 square root of 3x all the time bigger than or equal to 0. So both are positive value. Direction. So 3x plus 1 square bigger than or equal to 2 square root of 3x squared. We have 9x squared plus 6x plus 1 bigger than or equal to 4 multiplied by 3x. So let me bring this one here. So we have 9x squared plus 6x minus 12x plus 1 bigger than or equal to 0. So let me now find this value. We will have, let me bring our calculator. So menu 5, 3, 9 equal, and then minus 6 equal, and then 1 equal. So we have 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 bigger than or equal to 0. So we have 3x minus 1 squared bigger than or equal to 0. And this is true for all value. True for all value of x bigger than or equal to 0. So the statement, our statement, 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 bigger than or equal to 2 square root of 3x. And this is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead. Show that the following statement is not true. The sum of the three consecutive prime number is always a multiple of 5. It's only 1 mark. So he need only to prove that the statement is wrong. Only example. Okay. So let us start to do this part. So this is double I. The prime number we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. And 13. So for us it's enough to have 3 of this number, and the summation of the 3 number is not divided by 5. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. So yes. So now we have 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 15. So yes. So now we have 5 plus 7 plus 11 is equal to now 18 plus 5, 23. Not divided by 5. Okay, so the statement is not true, and this is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead. Show that the equation 3 sine theta cosine theta divided by 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 5 tan theta. Sine theta not equal to half can be written in the form of 3 sine cube theta plus 10 sine squared theta minus 8 sine theta is equal to 0. So let us start. We know that tan theta is equal to, so tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cosine theta. So let us start now to write this equation in this form. 3 sine theta cosine theta divided by 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 5 multiplied by sine theta divided by cosine theta. Let me make cross multiplier, so I have 2 sine theta minus 1 multiplied by 5 sine theta is equal to 3 sine theta cosine theta squared, because here cosine multiplied by cosine. So here we have 10. Let me now multiply this one by this one and this one by this one. 10 sine squared theta minus 5 sine theta was equal to 3 sine theta cosine squared theta. He need all the term using sine, so we know that cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So from here cosine squared theta is equal to sine 1 minus sine squared theta. So let me replace cosine squared with 1 minus sine squared. So I will have 10 sine squared theta minus 5 sine theta is equal to 3 sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine squared theta. So 10 sine squared theta minus 5 sine theta is equal to, let me multiply now, 3 sine theta minus 3 sine cube theta. Let me put all of this side. So we will have 3 sine cube theta plus 10 sine squared theta minus 5 sine theta minus 3 sine theta is equal to 0. So we have 3 sine squared theta plus 10 sine squared theta minus 8 sine theta equal to 0. And this is the answer of the question. Let us go ahead to another question. Hence, solve for x bigger than minus pi over 4 and less than pi over 4 3 sine squared x cosine 2x divided by sine 2x minus 1 equal to 5 sine 2x. Given your answer to 3 decimal place, so we will have here x bigger than or equal to bigger than minus 5 over 4 and less 5 over 4, and theta I replace it with 2x, so we will have 3 sine cube 2x plus 10 sine squared 2x minus 8 sine 2x is equal to 0. Now let me take sine 2x as a common factor, so I'll have sine 2x. Here I will have 3 sine squared 2x plus 10 sine 2x minus 8 will equal to 0. So sine 2x is equal to 0 and 3 sine squared 2x plus 10 sine 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. From here, let us go ahead to our calculator. We have 3 equal, and then 10 equal, and minus 8 equal. So 3x minus 2, so 3 sine 2x minus 2. The second part, sine 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so now we have, this is the first equation. The second equation, 3 sine 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. And the third one, sine 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. From here, sine 2x is equal to minus 4. We don't have a solution. Okay, from here, sine 2x is equal to 0. Sine 2x is equal to 0, so 2x is equal to sine inverse 0. Shift sine minus 1, 0 is equal to 0. So from here, x is equal to 0, and this is the first answer. Second equation, which is here, 3 sine 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, sine 2x is equal to 2 over 3. So 2x is equal to sine inverse 2 over 3 in radian form. Radian, now shift sine minus 1, 2 over 3. 0.7297, so it's equal to 0.7297. So x was equal to, and this is the only angle, because the range he gave to us is very small range, which is x bigger than minus 5 over 4 and less than 5 over 4. So he needs the first quarter angle. So x is equal to this value divided by 2. So 0. And he needs 3 decimal place. So 0.365. 0.365. And this is the second x. So x is equal to 0 and 0.365. And this is the answer of this question. Okay.